Welcome my dear friends. This is a C++ tutorial, right? As you see on your screen. But before starting, please, as a programmer, can you guys an output of this program, please? Write in a comment section. Write what you expect to be an output of this program in just 5 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, you know that every time, whenever we are developing a C++ program, we just use here using namespace ctd, right? This one is what we usually use. But let me show you how you can use just a ctd, this one, ctd, with scope resolution operator, how to use it instead of using this using namespace ctd, right? So first of all, let me show you some information, basic information about this ctd. This ctd stands for a standard. It's a namespace in a C++ that contains all the functions, classes, and objects from the C++ standard library, right? So this ctd, this one is just a standard library. So this ctd is used by professionals when we develop the professional code, right? But this using namespace ctd, this using namespace ctd, let me write it here, using namespace ctd, this one is for beginners or a small project, right? But this ctd here, ctd with scope resolution operator, this is for a professional code. So as professionals, we need to develop our knowledge about languages, especially this C++ programming language. So let us use this standard library, right? So to be aware of how it works, for example, once I would write this like this program, we can just write out you are welcome, for example, like this, right? Then once I make compilation and then run a program, you see this is our output, right? This is our output. You are welcome. But what you want is just to change this statement here into this one, right? Then to do this, we just delete this statement here like this, and then write ctd, a standard library, then scope resolution here, then also just this one, right? So as you see, is used or better for a small project, and when I want to make a program simple, short, and easy, right? So let us also make a compilation. First of all, we need to make compilation and now run it. You see also our output and no change. It's just you are welcome. To mean you can either use using namespace ctd, and also you can use this standard library with scope resolution. But as you see, this one, this ctd is very simple and very understandable, and is for professionals like ones who develop the large project. So as we are in a journey of developing our knowledge about programming language, you need to develop ones for professionals. So this is what I want to teach you in this video. Please kindly make subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that also they can get these tricks to be or to become professional programmers. So let me see you in the next lesson.